If you can't log into LinkedIn on your iPhone or the app is stuck on the sign in screen, here are some quick fixes you can try. First, check your internet connection. Open Safari or any other app and make sure websites are loading properly. If your Wi Fi is slow, switch to mobile data or reconnect to another network. Next, update the LinkedIn app from the App Store. Um, Outdated versions can often cause login errors or app glitches. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone. This clears temporary system bugs and refreshes background services. Another important fix is reinstalling or offloading the app. Go to Settings, then tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage, find LinkedIn, and tap on Offload App. Then again, tap on Offload App and reinstall it. This refreshes corrupted app files without affecting your account. Also, double-check your email and password carefully, including capital letters and extra spaces. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password on the login screen and reset it securely. But I don't want it, so you can follow the steps. Sometimes the issue may also be on LinkedIn servers, so waiting a few minutes or hours and trying again can help. After following these steps, your LinkedIn login issue on iPhone should be fixed. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone and LinkedIn troubleshooting tutorials.